Hello friends, now after applying rubber band you can simply insert them like this. After inserting them like this you can get a very perfect hairstyle. Now make a thick braid out of it, and after making a thick braid you will be done. Apply these kind of rubber bands inside the hair strip of yours and then start crisscrossing them or overlapping them. After overlapping them, you can simply observe the movement, and after observing the movement, you can simply make a circular bun like this. After that, you can take your remaining hairs and insert them in between and you will be done with this hairstyle. Now, after taking this hair strip of yours, you can start proceeding toward your another part, and after making a bun, you will be done. Now you can take this cute appearance of this cutie band and then you can make a bun out of it. After making a bun like this, you can take the remaining hairs, and after taking the remaining hairs, you can make a braid. After making one braid and another braid, you can simply tuck them inside and you are done with it. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.